from the top of the small hill. Beautiful city of Barcelona. Alright, getting ready for the race tomorrow morning. We start from here, we go all around the mountain. Yeah, hopefully I can come back alive. We're gonna do the race is gonna start soon. And yeah, I'm excited. This is a really cool first part of the race. Alright guys, I'm doing the recap for you today. I'm sorry about the quality of the microphone. I'm just recording it from AirPods. Unfortunately, my laptop microphone is not working. I had a really good day just on Facebook, just one trade. I think most of the people in the community also did that trade. Facebook had some news, I think, about this investigations and data breach and stuff, which is not news really for Facebook, but anyways, it was really opening week. And I took it 1 minute opening range breakdown. It sold off heavily at the open, and the pullback and bounce back at 335. I added heavy short on that. Actually, I got a partial fill. I didn't get a complete fill. Sold off to 331, and I added later again at 332 for a potential 5 minute opening range breakdown. But I really don't know why I chickened out and lost the next drop on it from 329. Overall, it was a really good trading day for me. So I'm just closing it 4,400 here, and I do hope that everyone had a really good day. I just don't want to overtrade. I don't want to stay here and mess around with something that I don't need to. My positions are right now at mostly TNA and TQQ, which it seems that IWM is kind of bouncing. Yeah, perfect. So thank you so much, guys. So I did I was in Barcelona, as you probably saw. Did a drive up to the north to the city of Baga, I think, and did a really nice Solomon race. It's actually a very big race, and all the big runners in the world were there. And this is one of the qualifier for Mont Blanc trail running. So I try to see if I can get qualified for that. But regardless, pretty good day, solid day for me, and yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my day in Lisbon. If you are in Porto, maybe on Wednesday night, maybe comment or subscribe or email me. Maybe we can have a meetup in Wednesday night, and potentially maybe we can have a London meetup on Friday as well. So I'm gonna post it into the forum. Thank you so much, guys, and see you all soon, either in some of in the world. If not, just see you in the chat room. Bye, guys. So there's a really nice cathedral on top. They built a Disneyland right in front of it. That doesn't make any sense.